Hello, I'm Veronika Robinson. I've been guiding people through the liminal spaces of their lives for 27 years. I'm a celebrant, officiating ceremonies across all rites of passage, a celebrant trainer, workshop facilitator, author, psychological astrologer, and a magazine editor. The book I'm submitting to Hay House is about the menopausal journey and how it impacts a woman and her most intimate relationship. According to Stowe Law Firm here in the UK, 68% of divorces are initiated by women during the menopausal years, and 65% of women say that the symptoms of menopause impacted their relationship. Is it possible that these high menopausal divorce rates can be avoided? Can we disrupt the cultural script? My book reflects on these questions by asking, is it possible that it isn't the spouse a woman is leaving so much as returning to herself? Although menopause is biologically just one day in a woman's life, the last day after a year of no periods, the menopausal journey lasts many, many years. One thing is clear, menopause is so much more than a hot flush. A deep need for space and spaciousness is often an overwhelming call for women during their recalibration years. And it's natural for their spouse to be concerned. After all, they don't know what's going to happen. This is new territory for them too. 75% of women say that they feel unsupported or misunderstood by their spouse during this time. And this, of course, isn't at all surprising. If a woman has done little to no research, or she's had no positive real-life mentors during her transition, then her partner is even less likely to be educated on the topic. My book's important because so many women have no idea that menopause can end a marriage. Preparation for menopause, like that of pregnancy and birth, can make all the difference to the type of experience we have, whether that's physically, emotionally, mentally, or even spiritually. This is a how-to book, and therefore it's immensely practical, but most importantly, it offers hope. Menopause transitions us into a new way of being, and we may seek expression of that in external ways, such as reevaluating our relationship, friendships, the home where we live, the job we have, how we express our creativity, and the care and attention that we give to our health and well-being. If it hasn't dawned on us before, it certainly does during this time, that how we spend our days is how we live our life. This book isn't a guarantee that separation or divorce won't happen. However, it does promise that a woman can choose to write a different script for herself about menopause, and it offers ways to realign with your marriage. Menopause is like a hinge between our old life and our new life, and the book is a balm, like oil to stop a squeaky hinge.